Let's go over my intermittent fasting strategy for this week. And I did make some big changes to what I was doing last week. See, every week I've been releasing a new video talking about my intermittent fasting strategy for the week. And I'm doing this so you can follow along with me. And maybe you'll find the perfect intermittent fasting strategy that fits into your lifestyle based on what I've been doing every single week. But let's quickly review what I did last week. See, last week I did make some changes as well to what I typically would do. See, whenever I'm doing a 16-8 or an 18-6 type fast, I typically would always skip breakfast. But a few weeks ago, I took a deep dive into the research when it comes to food timing and intermittent fasting, and all the new research is leaning towards taking in protein or calories in general earlier in the day. The research is saying that it's better for maintaining muscle mass and for muscle hypertrophy, for putting on muscle, if you take in protein earlier in the day. So what I did last week is that I broke my fast every day at 10 in the morning. So I took in like a nice sized meal, 10 in the morning. I worked out at 12 in the afternoon. And then I had my second meal of the day because I did 2 MAD last week. I only eat 2 meals every single day. I took in my second meal at around 3:30, was done eating by 4 p.m. every single day. And unfortunately, that schedule, even though it could be a great schedule for you or for someone else, does not work for me. I really missed not having dinner with my wife every day at 7 o'clock. I like to eat a little bit later. Plus, I also felt that I didn't properly digest my first meal before my workout. I'm so used to working out in a fasted state, or sometimes if I'm doing a really hard workout, I might drink like a protein shake right before my workout, but I wasn't used to working out 2 hours after eating a full meal. So that schedule just does not work for me. So this is what I'm going to do this week, and I actually have a little bit of a protein hack if you want to try it. So what I'm going to do is that 10 o'clock in the morning every day, I'm going to take an essential amino acid supplement. I'm going to get all my essential amino acids. It has no calories. I don't think it's going to break my fast. It's a little debatable, but I don't think it's going to break my fast. So at 10 o'clock in the morning, amino acid supplement. I'm going to work out at noon, which is the typical time I work out in a fasted state, which I like to do. And then right after my workout, I'm going to break my fast at either like 1:30 with my normal meal. And then I'll have my last meal with my wife at the end of the day at 7:30 every single night. I'll be done at 8 p.m. So it'll be a typical 18-hour fast or 16-hour fast. I'm going to do 18-6 or 16-8, I think, for the next few weeks with those essential amino acids at 10 in the morning. I'm going to try that. And I'll probably cycle my calories because I'm a big believer in some days eating more and other days eating less. It's good for your metabolism, in my opinion. Some days I'll do 2 MAD. Probably when I'm doing 18-6, I'll only eat 2 meals. And then other days when I'm doing 16-8, I'll probably eat 3 meals. I'm going to keep my protein relatively high. I'll go maybe 150 grams of protein a day. Keep my carbs relatively low, maybe 100 grams or less of carbs, 400 calories or less of carbs. The fat's going to come from the whole natural foods I'm eating. Most of my calories do come from fat because I eat avocados, I eat whole eggs, I eat animal protein, like I eat salmon all the time. And I'm going to stick to that. And I'm probably going to do that for more than 1 week because I really want to see how these essential aminos are going to work. I'm going to do this for maybe 2-3 weeks, and then I'll do another video and update everyone. Now, if you want to see exactly what I did last week in more detail, check out this video. And if you just want to learn more about intermittent fasting and all the amazing health benefits and weight loss benefits you can get from it, check out this video.